Corbin Schirra, Sylvain Andre, last year's World Cup champion, Vandenberg, Daudet, French national champion, Toine Van Gent, Quillen Isidore, the youngster, getting in the main, Joris Harmsen, and Nick Kimmen, winner of stage number 3. As we gear up for the final lap of the day, the men's elite final. Here we go. Out of the gate they go. Looks like Andre's off to a good start. Schirra even better. Kimmen on the outside. I don't think he's going to be able to make it over. Looks like Joris Harmsen is paving the way. Andre's going to dive underneath Nick Kimmen, but Harmsen might be on his way to his first win. Kimmen's in third, making up ground on Andre, but Andre's going to hold tight. Rich, bring us in.
Right, Harmsen leading it out. Nick Kimmen did not get the best of starts, but he's making moves, and here comes Dave Vandenberg. Joris Harmsen hanging on to what Sylvain Andre got for him in that final turn. Harmsen hanging, oh, Harmsen slid out. Andre's going to take it. Harmsen, his dreams are dashed in the final turn. Andre's got it. Van Gent in 2. Vandenberg, Isidore in the top 4. Schirra in 5, Kimmen in 6.
The official result for the men's final: Andre, Van Gent, Vandenberg, Isidore, Schirra, Kimmen, Harmsen, and Daudet.
Thank you. Yeah, it's great. It's been a year, and seeing myself in second, I knew I could do something. I was catching on Joris. He wasn't doing any mistake, and when we entered the last turn, I kind of pushed him to the inside, and maybe that's why he went 2 on the inside and eventually slide out. I just went around and nothing got me.
And for elite men, Sylvain Andre, Toine Van Gent, Dave Vandenberg. Those are the 3 that end up on the top spot. The BMX Supercross World Cup in Papendal, stage 4.